Here's another section of the boardwalk further down on the block. This entire boardwalk floated or was pushed down this city street. It's really pretty and tame. So this is a house and this is a street where all these cars were. Over here is a makeshift place for the local people to be eating. The camera's getting bouncy because it's kind of, I gotta watch where I'm walking here. There's a lot of debris and whatnot. But this is pretty messed up. Okay, I'm gonna stop, but I'm going over to where Walter and Jen are, and we're gonna bring some chemicals over, Anselm's chemicals, and the truck, where everything is. This is the storage place of it all.
No, we're just storing it.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.